distributing the policy to all interested parties and holding information sessions where appropriate to educate employees and other interested stakeholders about the policy to be implemented. A policy will normally contain detail related to the objectives of the policy, the expected outcomes, and the level or standard of achievement desired, the time frame within which the policy is to be implemented and assessed, the methods of evaluation to be employed by the organization, the activities that must be carried out by both management and employees to implement the policy. In addition, procedures relating to how a specific policy is to be carried out or implemented will also need to be written down. Procedures involve a written or an unwritten statement or understanding of what must be done in any particular situation. That is the essential mechanics of the task. It involves a step-by-step account of what is to be done by employees and or management when a specific task has to be completed or a specific decision has to be made. Management is largely responsible for establishing the policies and procedures of the organization and of communicating these to all employees and other interested stakeholders of the organization. Consultation between management and employees should take place before implementing these policies and procedures to ensure that they can be both effectively and efficiently carried out. In many organizations today, however, where employee empowerment is in place, employees or groups of employees may provide much of the impetus for policy development and implementation. Various policies of the organization may be grouped together in a policy manual. This will become a ready reference for all managers to be referred to when the need arises in regard to how to handle certain procedures or tasks.